everyone, so today I'm about to make a traditional food which is from the Batavia. So the traditional food, it is called the Talam Ubi, which is made from the purple ube. So I will start to give you guys the ingredients. So the main ingredients here are this purple ube that I'm already steamed and smashed it until it looks like soft and smooth like this. Oh my god. And then next we have coconut milk. Coconut milk. Yeah, coconut milk. And then we have sago here. We have sugar, and we also have rice flour. So first of all, step number one, that I am going to cook this coconut milk until it's like literally cooked, and then we're about to put the coconut milk with this steam ube. We're going to mix it, and then we're going to put the sago and the rice flour together. So we're going to cook the coconut milk first, so let's go. So the coconut milk is cooked. Now we're going to add the ube into a mixing bowl. Then we're going to throw two tablespoons of rice flour. Yes, rice flour. 2 tablespoons of rice flour into the ube. So here, 2 tablespoons of rice flour into the mixing bowl, and then we're going to add some sago, which is 80 grams. grams of sago. We have our sago here. I'm going to put it inside. So it will look like this. Then we're going to add some sugar, which is 100 grams of sugar. Yes, sugar. So here's the sugar, and then we're going to put it in here. Once all the dry ingredients are inside the bowl, we're going to put the coconut milk inside. Then we're going to stir it until all the mixture are mixed. So once the ingredients are all mixed, it looks like this. It's perfectly purple, or I would say lilac color. And once I'm done mixing all these ingredients, I'm going to put it into this pan. I don't have small ones, but I have big ones, so hang on. Once the mixture are already in this pan, we're going to steam them for about like 15 minutes, and then we're going to make the top part, which is the white part. And yeah, so let's put this on the cormorant. Let's steam this for about like 15 minutes, and then we're going to make the liquids, which is the top part. For my 2 steps, which is the top white part, the ingredients where we're going to be needing is the coconut milk, which is 250 ml of coconut milk, and then 30 grams of rice flour, and then we're going to put this sago for 20 grams of it. So our first step is to boil this coconut milk until it's boiled, and then we're going to put into the dry ingredients. The rice flour that we're going to mix, first I'm going to put hot water into it and then mix until it turns to liquid. Once the rice flour looks like this, we're going to put the sago inside and then mix again. Once it's mixed, we're going to put the coconut milk, which is already boiled. We're going to put inside the sago and the rice flour ingredients mixture, and then we're going to mix it. Mix the mixture until it turns to liquid. Alright, so the ingredients are already being liquid, so I'm going to put into the first ingredient, which is the purple one, and then we're going to stack them up with the white one. So let's hit it. So we're going to put this white ingredients. Liquid, which is the white one, for about 10 minutes, and then once it's done, it will turn into solid, and then we chill it into the refrigerator for about like 1 hour. Once it's already in 1 hour in refrigerator, we take it out and it will look like this. So this is my last result of Talam Ubi. Hope you guys enjoy, And thank you.
Kalau begitu, kalau ini